Okay, now that my brows are done, I can show you guys how to achieve my go-to makeup look. So first, you want to grab some primer, and I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And you want to just dispense a pea-sized amount and then apply it all over your face. And then after that, you want to grab some foundation. I use the MAC Mineralize foundation with SPF, and I just put one pump on the pan and make sure to shake it before you do that. And then I grab my MAC 170 foundation brush and dip the brush into the pan, and I mainly focus it on my cheeks and my nose, basically the bottom of my face. And then you just want to put the rest on your forehead. So after you apply foundation, you want to grab some concealer. And I have a sample of the NC30 concealer, but I forgot what type it is. And then you want to grab a concealer brush. I have this e.l.f. concealer brush. And then you want to put just a little amount onto your brush. And then you want to tap the concealer lightly under your eyes and then gently blend it out, and make sure you don't put so much pressure because the under eye is very delicate. And then after that, you want to grab a brush that you can use to set your under eyes, and I use the Real Techniques contour brush. And to set it, I use the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. And then you just want to press it under your eyes. And then you want to grab a powder brush. I use the Real Techniques powder brush to set the rest of my face. And make sure you press it onto your face first and then blend it out, because, you know, it's called a pressed powder for a reason. Then after that, you want to grab a contour brush, and I use the MAC 168 brush and the ABH Contour Kit in the color Fawn. And you want to apply that underneath your cheekbones, and I like to tap the product in first so then my foundation stays in place. And then I start blending it upwards. And then do the same on the other side. And then you want to pick up some more product and blend that onto your forehead and then on your temples. You only want to do this too if you have like a big forehead like I do, to make it look smaller. Then you want to grab some more product and put it under your chin to get the illusion of having a sharp jawline. And to apply blush, I use this Real Techniques blush brush. And for blush, I have this e.l.f. blush contour duo in Fiji-matte. And then you want to just take a little bit of product and tap off the excess and put it onto the apples of your cheeks. And it kind of helps to smirk, so then you can see where they are. And then you want to grab a setting spray, and I use this NYX Matte Finish setting spray, and then spray it all over your face. And then for highlight, I use this Real Techniques setting brush, and I use the Wet n Wild highlight in Precious Petals. And then I like to tap the product in first and then blend it out. And the reason why I do highlight last is because I put the setting spray first, and it will make it pop out more. And don't forget to highlight your nose and your cupid's bow. And lastly, you want to apply a lippy, and I use this Colourpop matte lippy in Aquarius 2. And doing this just finishes off the look. And this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.